Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. Take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your shoulders to soften, your jaw to release, and your entire body to begin settling into a state of profound ease. And each you exhale, allow your shoulders to soften, your jaw to release, and your entire body to begin settling into a state of profound ease. With each breath, you are creating space for something new to emerge. And notice the air flowing in through your nostrils, cool and refreshing. And as it leaves, it carries away any tension, any resistance, any old patterns that no longer serve your highest good. And you might already sense a gentle shift, a quiet deepening, as if your entire being is preparing for a transformation that has already begun. Bring your awareness to the ground beneath you. Feel the support that is always there, solid, unwavering, present. This support mirrors the foundation of your success, the strength that lives within you. As you hold that memory close, notice where in your body you feel that surge of confidence, that warmth of certainty, that electricity of possibility. It might be a lightness in your chest, a tingling in your hands, a warmth spreading through your core. With every breath, if the ready a moment, let it grow, let it expand, let it become a resource you can call upon at any time. And now, as you breathe deeply into that feeling, I am going to say some words that will anchor this state deep within your neurology, words that will program your mind for success and achievement. And listen with your entire being, not just your ears. Let these words sink into the very fabric of your subconscious. With every breath, I am becoming more aligned with my highest potential, and that success is not something I chase. It is something I embody, moment by moment, breath by breath. I am a magnet for opportunities, for abundance, for the resources I need to thrive. As you hear these words, you might notice a shift in your posture, a straightening of your spine, a lifting of your energy, as if your body is already responding to the truth of these affirmations. This is the power of your mind. the power to create, to manifest, to become. I am worthy of success, deeply, unconditionally worthy. My past does not define my future. Every mistake, every setback, every challenge has been a teacher. Breathe in confidence. Breathe out doubt. Breathe in clarity. Breathe out confusion. Breathe in abundance. Breathe out scarcity. With each exhale, you are letting go of old programming, old stories that no longer serve you. Breathe out, I plant, grows into a reality. My mind is a fertile ground for success. Every thought I plant grows into a reality. Soyed, reedy plant I and focused, disciplined and committed to my vision. I take inspired action, knowing that each step brings me closer to my goals. To force the process, Olatness ground, mind with R. Eking doubt ground, I am aligned with the energy, its strength in your limbs. My bodichi, itravity meist. See them some self, the fasto to fill every cell of your being. My mind is a fertile ground for success. Thus every thought I plant grows into a reality. You can doubt to the forebeing. I am aligned with the energy of achievement. I attract people, circumstances, and synchronicities that support my journey. You can doubt, I am a creator of my reality, not a victim of circumstance. I trust the process, even when I cannot see the outcome. Hold doubt, my mind with eats, not and weigh, and mind may. You can doubt a plant. I am aligned with the energy of achievement. I attract.
As you merge with this future self, notice how natural it feels, how familiar, as if you are simply remembering who you have always been. This is not a fantasy. It is a preview of your destiny. You are becoming that person right here, right now. I am resilient. I rise from every fall stronger and wiser. I am adaptable. I flow with change and turn obstacles into opportunities. I am patient. I trust the timing of my life, knowing that everything unfolds perfectly. Bring your awareness to your heart center. Feel it beating with purpose, with passion, with the rhythm of success. Each beat is a reminder that you are alive, that you have the power to create, that you are meant to thrive. I am grateful for the success that is already mine, for the lessons, the growth, the blessings.
gratitude opens the door to more abundance, and I welcome it with open arms. I am a vessel for prosperity, a channel for creativity, a beacon for success. Now, as you continue to breathe, I want you to anchor this state with a simple gesture, perhaps pressing your thumb and forefinger together, or placing your hand over your heart. Choose a gesture that feels natural, and as you make, you now have a resource that is always with you, a key to unlock your highest potential at any moment. Whether you are preparing for a presentation, facing a challenge, or setting a new goal, you can use this anchor to access the same energy, clarity, and confidence you feel right now. I am limitless. My potential is infinite. I am a masterpiece in progress, constantly evolving, constantly expanding. I am the author of my story, and I choose to write a narrative of triumph, joy, and fulfillment. Mama met your. Notice the stillness within you, the calm center that remains untouched by external circumstances. This is your power center, your source of inner strength. From this place, you can achieve anything because you know who you are and you trust the journey. I am a natural leader. I inspire others through my actions and my presence. I am a visionary. I see possibilities where others see problems. I am a creator. I bring ideas to life with intention and purpose. Notice the stillness within you, the calm center that remains untouched by external circumstances. This is your power center, your source of inner strength. From this now, take a moment to reflect on one specific goal you have, a dream that is close to your heart. Nay, sao to the Eve Cade, opposed tryly sensement God, if you as already accomplished. Feel the emotions of achieving it, the joy, the pride, the satisfaction. That's as. Allow that feeling to fill you completely, to become your current reality. These sailed tonight, manifestation. When you feel it's in your body, you attract it into your life. You are a creator, and your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs are the tools of your craft. I am worthy of my dreams. I deserve to live a life of abundance and fulfillment. I release any resistance, any unworthiness, any blocks that stand between me and my success. I am open and receptive to all the good that life has to offer. Breathe in the energy of abundance. Breathe out the energy of lack. Breathe in the energy of success. Breathe out the energy of limitation. Breathe in the energy of joy. Breathe out the energy of struggle. I am a magnet for miracles, for synchronicities, for moments of grace that accelerate my journey. Breathe in the energy of joy. Breathe out the energy of struggle. I am a magnet for miracles. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.